Hey everyone, hope you're having a good spring. I know we are here at the Garden Center. We are getting so many things every day for your gardening needs. Something that I'm particularly excited about this year are tree peonies. We get a lot of you in here asking for specific varieties for your perennial gardens or your annual beds. And one of the biggest things we get asked year to year are tree peonies. They are a little hard to source as they're very slow growing and hard to sometimes graft. But we were able to find some, and so we've got two wonderful colors available right now. We've got lavender and a purple color. The biggest difference between tree peonies and your regular bush peony would be the fact that these are woody. They do not die back into the ground in the winter and come back fresh in the spring. They do stay pretty woody all year round, and they can grow sometimes 4 to 5 feet. Some really fun defining features about the tree peony is that their flowers are substantially bigger typically than regular peonies, and they also have a really rich fragrant smell. So come on in, get these while they are here. And if you have any other requests, feel free to email us at the plant desk and we will do our best to find the plants you need.